After everything, Biggie come back. Biggie is back, man. Biggie is back.
Hello, this is Big Brother.
The house went.
Like they were excited to hear from
I'm telling
you.
you,
Like,
give me the voice now. This is Big Brother.
This is Big Brother.
Yeah.
Uche, report to the diary room.
I'm here now. Hi guys, it's favorite boy again on this channel, Bad Boy Mufihu, and I'm here with the baby girl Mide.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, how you doing, darling?
I'm fine, I'm good.
Alright guys, this week was one hell of a week. I mean,
it was.
The midst of Kiddwaya winning the head of House Charlie.
Why are them?
I know you start to be very happy for this one.
Yes, no, because Kid is my favorite housemate, so
Yeah,
I'm really happy.
And guess what? You picked Tolanibaj.
Yes, because you can't pick Erica. So.
No, I don't like when Erica. I don't want Erica in the picture, please.
Why?
Guys, you picked Tolanibaj. And I'm very happy that you picked Tolanibaj. I was very not happy.
Yes, I was happy. That was because he cannot pick Erica. So, and Erica was the one that asked me to pick Bbnaija. So, just simple.
For
and
once,
then she's the guest in the house. So.
Forget that thing. For once, she acted like someone that asked her. She asked me to pick Bbnaija. Nice teacher anyway. Also, our man went on vacation. Biggie.
Yeah. Biggie went on vacation.
Yes, now.
Where you go?
He went to chill.
Where do you think he went to?
He went to see his wife now.
His wife.
Nobody knows.
Maybe don't catch corona. He got isolated there.
Anything happen to serious now. And I tell you, and I can imagine, Kid was that because Mr. Kid now became the Biggie in the house.
Yeah, like telling them to freeze and all, and then he didn't tell anybody. You don't tell anybody say baby you go just the. I want to say go there Erica.
No,
You say
that guy get sense apart like that now. I just know say, yeah, no be Erica level. Yeah, you get sense.
what do you mean say no be Erica? I beg.
Man, that part first for.
One leave him.
Kid again. I don't think like that guy, that kid guy.
Why? He's a good dude now.
When he's a good dude, yeah.
And he's humble.
Truth or dare.
A billionaire that is humble. You see Lake face?
On my one time.
Look on close eye. My brother.
Guys,
Yes.
kid wants this truth or dare. They ask kids to suck the nipple of any lady he chooses or he likes in the house.
And he had to save his family, just like
No, but there's something trigger. I don't know. You know, when they asked him to do it, the first of all went to Batoni. You notice?
No, yes, no. Kid, idiot. He lied today. No, just want to know. Like, even the first truth or dare where they tell us Kiki's babe, where you go round all the girls, you want to shake table. Nah, that guy.
Last, guys, the highlight of that particular event. Kid went to suck, you know now, Erica. That one. Anyway, let's leave Erica. When he was sucking the something, look at Lekon's face, my God. Please pray for Lekon now. Lekon is suffering too much in that house now.
Wait, do you want him to leave?
I don't understand. If there is a way he should give him, I don't know, come back.
No, he can't take it now. He's soft-hearted, so that's why.
But
like,
you know
he just has to close his eyes, like, to imagine what is happening. Like, and it's better than see. He even realized at some point, Trikiti was covering him, like, so they will not.
Yes.
But that would just make you more emotional about the whole thing.
No, my anger is not even Kid doing what he did. My anger is that Erica girl that is doing all this thing on live TV.
What is she doing on live?
She was the only one that no. Let me tell you, Erica don't have sense. She was the only one that in the on live TV she did what she did. You know what she did now with Kid last time? So did now again she's alive.
If you're in that position, once you do it, have you not played Truth or Dare game before? Worse than that because we did not see it.
Yes, now that's why I'm smart.
I'm not judging Erica.
I'm not doing it on live TV now.
So what's not the difference because she did on live stream? That's what I judge now.
Yeah.
I beg you.
Anyway, look at my guy at Trikiti. One of the house.
God, Trikiti like he was wasted.
Vibes machine.
You see,
that guy is being
the thing I make you do threesome. He carry Dorothy.
Hey, that one I did too.
He carry Nengi. Bomb.
Hey, this one is my guy.
And what don't need the guy he enjoys it. Feed them.
I think that guy is bringing his A game to that house, really.
No.
He's doing his complete self as a complete Trikiti. See the name Tricky.
Tricky.
I like that. We agree on this one. Anyway, hey, I was a bit sad about something in the house.
What was that?
Neo and Dina, my favorite couple. Hey.
Your favorite couple?
Yes, now. Hey, Neo, the street boy.
Street
the
boy.
Girl from the town. Hey,
Yankee baby.
Yankee baby. That's how it is on bad now. Eh? Just check. I don't know why. Like say, anytime we get on the series, monthly something like this. Everywhere lost change, pregnancy, everywhere they want to everybody. What's happening?
No, be all of us, but sometimes they do like a witch. Not true. Like it's a lady's thing. Like you get offended, like with any small thing, like you don't beg, we don't them. But the guy not supposed to understand now.
I don't understand anything. Okay, she was having this her stuff, you know, and like you knew, she was weak, you know, and she was hungry. Okay, because he's a good guy, like he is, he went to get food for her, right? But then everybody knows that house now is not as it was before.
True.
Now, okay, because of the house, Brighto was cooking, so he had to make some moves so that everybody will,
everybody will,
right?
Yeah.
Okay, now out of his generosity and kindness, he gave Neil some to give to his girlfriend. Okay, what did she do when he brought it?
Actually, my own point of view, V wanted Pando Yam. Okay, if my brother, if you know where now, now what you go want to go for her. So, as she wants to Pando Yam, I don't know, maybe near Sabi Kuku, if I just help her do the Pando Yam, make she chop.
Okay, the Pando Yam not going to be available at that point.
Pando Yam day. You know the house. Pando Yam day. It's what your girlfriend want that you do for her, just like you do for you too. So.
It's not just Nigeria anymore.
Isn't this Nigeria?
Now,
like, if you don't have to take care of your wife or your girlfriend, then I don't know what you're doing. Yes.
You always support me now.
No.
Anyway, I like my guy Neil. Thumbs up to him, you know, because he even though the guy is mine.
They will come and fight for party like.
They go fight now.
Obvious.
I like it. Why do they hide in mind now?
No, but you know good. I feel if they get problem with your babe or your guy, you're not supposed to allow them. Like everybody. No. Everybody continue with their friend.
He's in charge. He's in charge.
Which in charge?
He's in charge.
Now when they tell everybody say you don't break out, you don't break out. Like what kind of a guy is that?
He's good. No. Good, I bet.
Nah, lie, I no agree.
After everything, Biggie come back. Biggie is back, man. Biggie is back.
Hello, this is Big Brother.
The house went
like they were excited to hear from
I'm telling you, give me the voice now. This is Big Brother.
This is Big Brother.
Yeah.
Uche, report to that room.
I'm here now.
Housemates.
Yeah.
But then the man no come with joy,
No joy.
Please, Biggie's a sadist.
No
like
joy.
he literally changed the game for everybody.
Hey, now, they lost their joy, that's why now. They didn't impress him.
No, that one, right from time, not they give them wage. It's like they haven't cost, then they win wage.
They don't win anything, I tell you now. Okay, now, no more about hot water. And they go so far and move food to the house.
Nigga went off you back without water. You know, just keep it fresh.
No, the good time thing, you see. You know, people get, people they about to do now. Fresh and go there, out there. Yes, now.
True. But what do you say about the strike now?
I like that. You know what? Thank God. Thank you say you talk about this strike. Because Erica know the best me since. And I'm happy that she get to strike. I have to die. Like you don't get sense. No whispering. She not go here.
No.
Now only she the love person for this one.
No, I'm sad.
Don't be sad. I'm not being unrealistic here.
Nobody is above mistake here. So you do things unconsciously. So
anyway,
it's not just normal thing. If me and you there and as for my guy, like, if I tell you something and I don't want me to go, you know now. Even if you did that kind of thing, go do am.
Say she know that.
Guess I've gotten a big brother house with Dave. I'm not
Rule. If you break the rule, there are consequences.
Even my balls or two, now him and Yankee. But then you need to know only Ozo that they gave the strike. Tolanibaj, because she won't go call you.
A loyalist now.
No, but then she was supposed to abide to the rule because the first day that it happened, Biggie asked them to sleep in their room, like to obey the thing. But then because she won't call you, but
I go do, but if I
Nigeria.
That one give me joy.
So
those girls will go live ahead of
us. For that room at all. Even Erica said, Erica. They needed privacy now. Erica go to his.
Erica always sleep on that.
She said at 3 p.m.
What did they worry about? It's never.
No, but she
Time
don't
don't
sleep
pass
because they
now.
later come back to their normal room. I don't know why Big Brother just did
How you go stay for that place at 3 a.m. You dey visit? 3 a.m. 3 a.m.
They slept off
Wait,
now.
3 a.m.
3
You slept
a.m.
off?
Yeah, she slept
She
off.
should go home, please. She should go
She's
home.
not going anywhere.
One last strike.
But what I noticed is that Prince didn't even like go to the HH lodge.
That guy is classy right from time now.
It's a classic, man.
Yeah, it's like me now. It's like me. Everything classy. Yeah.
But anyhow, shall we hope that Big Brother really forgives them and cancel the strike?
Kiddwaya, uncle.
Kiddwaya.
Kiddwaya.
Biggie's job. Biggie cannot do anything. He will keep trending. Like as you said, it's the highlight.
It's remaining 2 strikes. 2 strikes. They're giving you one.
They will not give him 2 strikes.
If it remains, remaining 2 strikes.
Even if they give him, we know who he is. What's it? Wire.
Okay,
money.
No, I like him. I like him, but you try and try
sure.
sense now.
Yeah, sure.
Try yourself. See everything that's going on in the house. Everybody now is looking at a game. Tell that right too. Highest for right.
Right to the hot guy. You know hot though. Right to the hot guy.
Right to the hot guy.
The Hodarati. Other nation. But wait, don't you think we're doing it?
He saved the best for the last.
Not true.
He
Save the best for the last.
I tell you now, he's the best kind of
So
guy.
now the guy got your feelings and because yesterday they don't you don't want anything. After you don't, you know say even they do the hand movement, all that to say. When you do when they come by, my guy.
That's what it. What I do, that's about this one though.
And the fact that Tolanibaj, Erica, Kiddwaya, they know if you participate for HOA challenge, like that is really crazy. I feel it's just strategy that Big Brother is doing. Yes, I said it.
What do you mean?
He just wants us to be voting for them to waste our money.
No, but I mean, look at it now.
Everybody pray for Erica, please.
Which Erica? Erica must go. Erica must go.
She can never go.
I feel like that girl don't have sense. I'm telling you right from time.
Ross, she cannot go home. She cannot go home. She's the queen of highlights. Yes, says me. Says me.
But you keep when I'm telling you, if not that, Katrina went home.
Katrina?
Yes. That's the real queen.
Which queen? Which queen is that Katrina?
Erica.
I don't know. I like her. She's generous. I don't hate her, but no, I beg. Where Erica is? Erica is the queen.
Don't let her lie, let me tell you.
She knows.
Erica,
she knows what she's doing. Yeah, you She's being herself. She's being herself, please.
Since the beginning, Erica and Jenny said, I don't want to. Anyway, I'm not even like that girl. Where she go out?
Why you people like this? She's not joining anybody here together. Is it bad to have friends, like somebody as friend, and like somebody as special friend? Make she go out. She don't go anywhere. We there, yeah. She full ground.
She been waiting.
She been
also, open the house yourself. Don't remember also.
Also, lover boy.
See, he's a guest strike, lover boy. He's a guest strike. Lover boy.
No, but maybe go forgive him. He go change.
Who?
He go change.
No, I don't know why. I talked about before. See, I don't know why all these light-skinned guys, or how women on the inside, they don't get sense. Only me, except me.
Except light-skinned boy. Yeah. We know your story. We know your story.
But I don't people during that Sunday again. On my eviction, they happen to do like this. So, what is the reason? Like, who if you say go out? Guys, everybody all like this.
Maybe Watoni and Praise because
the guy who has stayed with me call somebody again. Waiting for someone, but just call someone's name again.
Watoni and Praise.
Now,
what are you saying? See, my brother. With him.
We're not going anywhere.
With him, we're going nowhere to the 99 days. Yes,
Erica don't have anything to offer in that house. Only to kiss and make love.
Yeah, she's entertaining us.
Entertaining how?
Yes, with the
always making mistake every time. I don't understand.
You know what she has won?
I don't understand.
Game she has won. What are you saying?
I don't understand.
Are you sure you're watching
all these guys say bless, say everything.
Hello.
Small love like this.
Hello, sir. Are you sure you're watching the game?
Let me tell you.
Do you know how many things she has won?
Let me tell you. I'm not saying. Listen to me. I'm not saying Erica is let me say I'm not saying she's not a good person. She can be nice, but she does not have sense. Good people are sometimes foolish. Yes,
she not sense.
Yes, now
like loving
two strikes. Yes, that house. 2 strikes.
Wait, so guys, I'm judging her for having 2 strikes.
Well,
intentionally.
Well,
Did she do it intentionally?
At the end of
That's what I'm
everything,
saying. What? Nobody
Erica will go home today.
You wish.
Bury the dead, bury the
You
dead.
wish. You wish.
Anyway, guys, I don't even know what you guys should do for self. Leave all this thing she's saying. Leave. I know that you guys will vote Erica out. So who are you guys looking
She's
for?
staying. Erica for the money. She pim.
Erica for the money. Don't have to lick up.
Who be Leko?
Let go.
Now get that thing.
You even forgot that. You let me tell you. Leko is making that house more entertaining. Because any single challenge, Leko is there.
Yes, fine. Yes, it's just the same way as Erica.
Leko is
When
there.
it comes to acting,
Acting
Erica is 100.
That's why I asked Kerab that never blew normal. That's never blew the way it's supposed to blow. Because you know that. I read it though.
You're just on a hater.
I read it, please.
You're just on a hater.
I read it. Anyway, guys, this is the favorite boy, bad boy, Mifiho, and Mide. Beautiful Mide. Always.
Give me. I don't like.
Alright.
I don't like my Erica.
I don't like Erica. You don't like me.
I don't like.
But we agreed on one thing now.
Yeah.
Tolanibaj, right?
Tolanibaj.
Alright, catch you guys next time, alright? And thanks for watching. And if you're watching this show for the very first time, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, NAIJA Entertainment, alright? Comment also. I know the year one, I beg. Comment also. Hey, God. Maybe I'll